How to connect Printful to Shopify 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking about Printful and Shopify and how you're going to integrate both of these and connect them to each other in the simplest, most easiest way possible. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get straight into the data, depth, and detail. Okay, now to start yourself off, what you're going to basically be doing and needing is a well and made Shopify account that is fully set it up and it has the full, goings and uprunnings of a proper account. And we're going to make sure that we're going to fully know how to use it as well. So, yeah, and once we know the great deal and depth about all of those things, yeah, from there on out, we're gonna start messing around with all the other integratory stuff with Printful. Okay, now to start things off, what we are gonna be doing is basically you're gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, and once we start ourselves on the login page, it's gonna basically obviously take us to the login section where we're gonna, basically log in with our details. So obviously I already have a store, so I'm gonna log in with that store. If you don't have a store, then do make sure to create a store for yourself because it's really helpful, great for e-commerce and all that. So yeah, it just helps you a lot with your work. Now, once you do that, basically it's gonna load you in this page, setup guide and everything. So to basically find yourself Printful, you're gonna go up here into apps and you're gonna search Printful. You're gonna click on that, click on enter, and let's see what it brings us onto the App Store. And there we go, Printful, print on demand. So we're gonna click on it, okay, print on demand, and it's gonna bring us here. And as you can see, create and sell custom products with print-on-demand dropshipping. Looking to start a printed or embroidered t-shirt business or sell wall art or blankets for the comfort of your home? Do it with Printful. We're a print-on-demand dropshipping supplier ready to support you every step of the way and take care of the boring stuff that you know, like fulfillment. We'll print, package, and ship your products to your customers. It's time for you to take full control of your ideas, time, and finances. Start or expand your existing online business with Printful. So obviously you can see it has quick setup, easy to use, high quality products, custom branding, etc., and much more. It's also free to install, which is also pretty good, and it has great reviews. So let's go ahead and click on add app. Now, once you click on add app, basically what's gonna happen from there is you're gonna load into the basic Shopify section where it's gonna tell you to fully install the app into the system of Shopify. So let's, of course, go ahead and do that for ourselves. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here. Connect Printful to Shopify. Start by signing up. It's free and it will only take a few minutes. Sign up with existing accounts to make it much faster. You have Google, Apple, Facebook, etc. Or you can just sign up with your email. Now I'm going to do that because I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself. You don't necessarily need to do this. I'm just doing this because I rather recommend this. And then once you add in that, make sure you have a good and strong affiliated password. Once you do that, you're going to do that and click on sign up. Okay. Now, once you do that, tell us about yourself so we can tailor your experience with us. What describes you or your business the best? So it could be either agency, which has marketing or e-commerce agency, artist, which has designer, painter, photographer, etc., established business or organization, SMB, e-commerce store, NPO, NGO, global enterprise brand with corporate, fashion, etc., individual entrepreneur, one person operation, side hustler, etc., public figure with celebrity, influencer, politician, athlete, etc. So I'm going to go with artist. How many fans do you have? I'm going to go with the minimum. How many e-commerce orders do you get per month from your products, digital assets? I'm going to go with that. And once you do that, here you can see it gives you confirm connection. So obviously we're going to go ahead, confirm the connection and everything. And that's basically how you're going to set everything up and connect your Printful store. So obviously it also sends us a confirmation email on the email that we just gave them. So do make sure to confirm the email accordingly. So here we can see confirm email address. Let's go ahead and confirm that. And as you can see, it brings you here back to the Printful store. Now, Basically, here you can see add your first product to my store. You're just a few steps away from receiving your first order. Obviously, you can start adding products. So to add products, you're going to click on add products to your store. And once you click on add products, it brings you to the different product sections of, your Printful store. And you can see you have all these custom products that you can edit. So, you have can shaped glass, steamless wine glass, unisex performance crew neck t-shirt, and all that. Now, mainly Printful is used to, get products like t-shirts and stuff. So, you can add different designs onto them. So let's say we're going to choose this t-shirt to actually, withdraw and export. So meet our new design maker, etc., etc. Obviously, I'm going to skip this because I know the general outlook. Now, you can obviously add your very own designs on top of these things. As you can see, as it says, drop your design over here. So if you click on drop your design over here, you could add sample files, or you can upload a new file totally by yourself, which might have a good looking design on it. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go with a pretty random design. I am going to be going with, yeah, let's go with this. Pretty random thing, but it's a pretty nice looking PNG file. We can just put it over a dark colored shirt. And once you do that, you're gonna click on this and click on apply. And obviously it's gonna apply the design that we just posted. And you can obviously increase its size if you want to. And then once you do that, you can bring it here, remove this, bring this over here. And now you can obviously, increase its size a bit. So here we go. And once you do that, make sure to align it perfectly. Once that is done, what we are going to be doing is you can also add texts under it. So let's say I'm going to add some text over here. There we go, right here. And in your text here, obviously we're going to go ahead and write some good stuff over here. There's our text. And into our text, let's go ahead over here. Just remove this. And let's add summer. Okay. And obviously you're going to choose the text preset that we just had. There you go. Centralize it. Choose the color. Okay. So you're obviously going to choose a good font for yourself as well. So let's say we have, added all these things. So it says summer here. So all you're going to do is just when your t-shirt is done, just click on continue, add the different media, details, pricings. And once all this is done, obviously you're gonna go ahead and wait, let me just choose a mockup. Yeah, that should be good. Continue, submit to store. So this is the final option, which says submit to store. And what this will do is it will submit this product to your Shopify store. It will basically import your product to your Shopify store. So we're just going to wait for this to load up. And once it has fully loaded up, you are good to go. Okay. And basically, it's really great and incredible stuff to have for your page, and you can obviously go ahead and see if it has been uploaded. Obviously, as you can see, it's taking a bit longer to load in the basic, products over here. Yeah, there we go. So unisex performance crew neck t-shirt that we just created. It's here in our Shopify store, and that is how you're going to connect Printful to Shopify. So yeah, basically that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see all of you people next time. Goodbye.